Wow, Mom, this jungle is amazing!
It is, Leo. Look at these giant leaves.
A pretty butterfly! Hi, butterfly!
Stay close, everyone. This is the best adventure ever.
Mom, the monkey is trapped!
Stay calm, Leo. We will find a way to help. Helping is important, but we must think first. We can't leave him here. Then we help him, together.
Be careful, Dad.
I will move slowly. The monkey is scared.
Animals feel fear just like we do.
It's okay, little friend. We are here to help. Whoa, careful everyone, look what I found!
A monkey! It's so cute! Can we keep it, please? He's so tiny!
Alright, let's be gentle with him. Whoa! Hold on!
Coming, Dad!
Gotcha, little guy. We're okay.
You saved him!
Sometimes helping means moving fast, but thinking clearly. You're safe now.
But it still feels alone. Mom, I think the monkey is lost. Yes, Leo. Sometimes being free is not the same as being home.
You saved him!
Sometimes helping means moving fast, but thinking clearly. Come on, little friend.
You can do it!
Steady now, Daniel.
Almost there. I think he likes me.
Maybe he trusts you. Mom, where is his family? Somewhere out there, waiting for him.
We could leave, but that would not feel right.
Yeah, we can't leave him.
Then we help him find his home. Look here, monkey tracks.
Then we follow them!
Don't worry, little friend. We will find your family.
The jungle always shows a path to those who are patient. The jungle feels different here.
The deeper we go, the quieter it becomes. I don't like that sound.
The jungle is loud, but it is not always dangerous.
But what if it is? This is so cool.
Stay close to us.
We'll be fine.
Maybe he knows the way home. Animals remember places better than we do.
That storm looks big.
Then we must move faster.
Now the jungle is really alive.
Rain is part of every jungle story. The river looks strong.
We must cross carefully.
Let's find a safe spot.
I'm ready for an adventure. Can we still cross?
Maybe, but we must be brave and careful.
Sometimes helping others means facing danger. Then we cross together.
Together, let's go.
Please hold strong.
Trust the path.
We made it.
Every journey becomes easier when we help each other.
The jungle looks different after rain. Storms change the jungle, but they also make it stronger. I hear water.
That must be a waterfall.
Wow, this place is amazing! Whee! Nature hides its greatest beauty in quiet places.
More tracks. We are getting closer.
Did you hear that?
Yes, we may be near his family. Monkeys!
Stay still. Let them see we are friendly. He's leading the way!
Hito's most library guide!
What a clever guide!
That must be his mother. He found his family. Every creature belongs somewhere. Goodbye, little friend.
Kindness always finds its way home. I'm happy he found his family. Helping others brings peace to the heart.
The jungle feels different now.
Because you helped someone today. Do animals remember kindness?
Yes, animals remember who helps them. This adventure is not finished yet.
The jungle always has another surprise.
This path looks interesting.
Let's explore! Look at all the butterflies!
Nature loves to celebrate peaceful moments.
Did you hear that?
Another animal needs help.
Kindness does not stop after one rescue.
The wing is hurt, but not broken.
Then we help this one too.
Helping others is the greatest adventure.